You have mail?
Yeah.
You've got mail! Yay!
Yeah.
3 pieces of mail? Holy moly!
Well, yeah. Yeah.
We have to find the mail from Grandma and put it in there.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you blow kisses? Oh, thank you. You want to see? Look at, what's that?
Yes.
House, that's right.
Yes.
House.
Yes.
Can you open the door on the house? Where's the door on the house?
No.
Yeah, where's the door?
No.
Can you go through the door?
Open. No.
No? Can you close it? Oh.
No.
Where's a ball at the house?
Look.
Where's a ball?
Ma.
What does it say? It says, Merry Christmas, Code, love, Santa.
Wow.